Welcome to Farewell Fridays at Gateway Bronco. This week's delivery is headed just outside Denver, Colorado. It's an example of our Coyote Edition product in Boxwood Green. Add to that a Wimbledon white hardtop, uncut wheel wells, and these 18-inch billet wheels, and we've got the quintessential vintage Ford Bronco. Well, it gets better. Let's take a look inside at this wonderful interior. It has power retractable steps, power windows at the touch of a lever. It also has this distressed leather interior with houndstooth inserts. It even has a wool carpet to match the interior to round it all out. What a great vehicle. Now this is delivering dreams to driveways every week. If you'd like to learn more how to turn your dream into a reality, please give me a call. Thanks so much for joining and let's take a ride together.